Cooking creates more than just cooking odors, but also grease, odor molecules, airborne pollutants, bacteria, viruses, and more harmful substances. Plasma Plus eliminates 99.91% of harmful particles. Compare that to traditional carbon filters, which only capture 60 to 70% and cost you money on frequent replacements. Air flows through the plasma triple system, where harmful molecules are transformed into harmless water, CO2, and oxygen. The Plasma Plus system is not an add-on. It is the core, built into every Ciarra Professional Series hood from the ground up. It guarantees that supreme purification defines every model in every kitchen. From powerful capture to molecular purification, one standard of air quality elevates every culinary space. Breathe the difference with Ciarra.